Yes. Be ready for the dictation. Start. The first appellate court allowed the said appeal by setting aside the order passed by the learned trial court dismissing the application to set aside the ex parte judgment and decree. Stop. The first appellate court also passed an order to restore the suit to file and thereafter to dispose of the suit after affording sufficient opportunity to the parties to adduce their respective evidence and rebuttal evidence. Stop. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the order passed by the first appellate court in allowing the appeal and setting aside the ex parte judgment and decree and the order directing the matter be disposed of fresh in accordance with law after affording adequate opportunity to the parties to adduce their respective and rebuttal evidence, the original plaintiff filed the present petition under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India before the High Court by the impugned judgment and order, and without considering and observing anything on the findings recorded by the first appellate court on whether there was a sufficient cause made out to set aside the ex parte judgment and decree, the High Court has set aside the order passed by the first appellate court setting aside the ex parte judgment and decree solely on the ground that as no written statement was filed on behalf of the defendant numbers 2 and 3. Stop. Having heard learned counsel for the respective parties and considering the order passed by the first appellate court have made out a sufficient cause for setting aside the ex parte judgment and decree. Stop. But while passing the impugned judgment and order, the High Court has not at all dealt with and considered the findings recorded by the first appellate court recorded while setting aside ex parte judgment and decree. Stop. The High Court has set aside the order passed by the first appellate court solely on the ground did not file the written statement and contested the suit. The reopening the suit would become futile, setting aside the ex parte judgment and decree, though the defendants who had not filed the written statement can be permitted to participate in the suit and cross-examine the witnesses. Stop. Therefore, the High Court is not right in observing that as no written statement was filed by the defendants, the reopening of the suit by setting aside ex parte judgment and decree will become futile. Stop. As observed herein above, the High Court has not at all observed anything on the correctness of the order passed by the first appellate court setting aside the ex parte judgment and decree on merits. Stop. In view of the above and for the reason stated above, the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court is hereby set aside. Stop. The order passed by the first appellate court setting aside the ex parte judgment and decree and restoring the suit is hereby restored. Stop. However, it is observed that on restoration of the suit not be permitted to file the written statement as though member of opportunities were given earlier, they did not file the written statement. Full stop. Over.